Good morning from Moalboal in Cebu in the Philippines. Today we are heading on an adventure to go do canyoneering, which we've never done before. So I don't know what that entails or what we're expecting to happen. I know it's like a little bit of like cliff jumping and like jumping off waterfalls and things, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're about to go get picked up, so come with us as we go get picked up and go canyoneering. We decided to check the weather because Michael sort of stated that these clouds look a little bit interesting. It says, you probably can't really see that, but it says that there is thunderstorms today. But also it said there's been thunderstorms for the last few days and we haven't really seen many. We've seen like the silent lightning at night time, but that's literally been about it. So fingers crossed it'll be the same for today. We just got out of the transport and it was so congested and rocky, but it's all right now. We are just getting set up. We're gonna go get our shoes and life jacket and stuff now, get fitted, and then we'll head canyoneering. We're all geared up now. Got the helmet, life jacket, shoes. So I can hit Michael in the head now. We just got transport to our second location and it was so rocky that we're both feeling a bit sick now. But it is what it is. Yeah. Anyway, we'll be fine. We'll tug it out. We've opted in for the walk rather than the zip line because the zip line was like 700 pesos. So we've got the walk, which I think the guide said 20 to 30 minutes, which I don't think is too bad, to be honest. What a beautiful view. I'm not talking about Michael. Really down at the bottom and the water is so clear. It's probably hard to tell on camera though. This jump is a 4-meter jump and I'm already scared, but we'll go for it. Let's go! We just did the 4-meter jump and I was kind of scared. My legs are still shaking a little bit, but it was actually really fun. What's next?
Rock slide.
What's next?
Rock slide.
Water slide?
Rock slide.
Rock slide. Oh, okay. Rock slide's next.
Fueled by to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
I don't know why I screamed. It was so little. Anyway.
Rock slide.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands.
We're about to do the 5-meter one. Oh man, I don't know what I signed up for today. It's fun. It's kind of scary though.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Okay, let's sing together. Down we road, take me home to the place I belong.
West Virginia.
3, 2, 1.
the sister, you know, everyone out there.
I'm here in the Canyoneering right now.
Yeah, here we are, Canyoneering in the Philippines. It's a great time, everyone else should do it.
What's going on? Shout out to these guys. These lads. Yeah. We're currently human trained. We're at the halfway point of our canyoneering and we've stopped where there is like a bunch of shops. They call it the 7-Eleven of the canyoneering, which you can see here. The guide was saying that the way that they get the items here was they carry it in baskets. Was he saying up to 70 kilos to you as well?
Yeah, 70 kilos, yeah.
Up to 70 kilos they carry it in baskets because where we are is quite remote. We've been walking, swimming, cliff jumping, everything. And that's how they get it here. They've even got like fresh fruit like bananas and mango and stuff. It's just insane. So far, I'm really enjoying the experience and I'm really enjoying the fact that I'm getting out of my comfort zone as well because I've never done cliff jumping before and heights is not my favorite thing. And now I can say that I've jumped 2 5-meter jumps. What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty bloody terrifying when you first start, but they kind of ease you into it a little bit. It's actually quite a good system, I guess. They start you off with little jumps, you know, 1 meters, 2 meters, and then they go, they kind of amp you up to like the 5 meter, the 7 meter if you want to do that. But no, I think it's really good.
So I think we've done like most of our jumps now and it's like a lot of walking and swimming. And then after that, we'll be done and I think we will need a bit of a rest. It's very tiring actually.
Guys, welcome to my vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Let's go!
Yeah, subscribe! Jumping off cliffs and swimming. This is the view that we're seeing when we're walking. Just so beautiful. I think we're nearly finished the canyoneering. I think there's like one more waterfall and then after that we're done. We just made it to our last waterfall just behind us here. We're going to go for a quick swim because why would you not? It looks really blue as well. Like the water looks artificial. I don't know if it is or not, but it's so blue. Anyway, we'll go for a swim and enjoy this last bit of canyoneering before we finish up. Well, this might be as close as I can get to the waterfall. I'm kicking and I can't get any sort of traction because of the current. Oh, you know what? I'm quite tired now.
Yeah, it's bloody exhausting. Even though you don't have to tread water, it's just exhausting to stay near there. Like, look how far we've travelled in the 10 seconds we've been talking.
Yeah, exactly. We're just travelling further and further backwards. There's also just a random flock of bats that are just circling up above. You might be able to see them flying. is served. We have a gyros and we also have beer. I've gone for the Pilsen. Michael's gone for the lemon flavoured beer because he's on medication right now for his leg infection, so he probably shouldn't be drinking alcohol. So he's gone for the lighter one, just to make him feel a bit better.
And I can't have a meal without a bevy. And if I get a light bevy, it's better than nothing. So I think it's a good compromise.
So we finished dinner, it was fantastic. I was feeling quite full, so we decided to go for a walk on the beach. It is our last night in Moalboal and it's been really beautiful, it really has. And yeah, now we're on to our next destination in the Philippines. You're gonna find out very shortly where that is. But yeah, we also saw some people swimming just out there. Not that you could see, but there was people scuba diving by the sardine run and they just had like torches. I imagine that it would be quite interesting to do it at night time because the sardines aren't disrupted by large groups of tourists or people going to see them. So yeah, I reckon that would have been quite interesting. Now I don't know, we might get some ice cream or we might... Hey, you're back! What have you got? I'm vlogging. Oh. Oh.
Hello guys.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Why did they? I died. It's not.
For me, this one, Moalboal. Moalboal. Philippines, can it know?
Philippines. Wait, can I have a look at that one too?
Not Moalboal.
This one. No, not
Philippines, this one.
It is Philippines, yeah.
Yeah, Philippines.
See, this is not.
This one, Moalboal.
Oh, you all know what I want.
Philippines plates.
Okay.
This one.
The problem I have is that I'm only going to be able to buy from one of you because I only want one magnet.
Wala, gusto ha?
Okay.
Muna hindi. Abi, take one.
Kunin mo.
Not quite. Okay, I like this one, but whose is it?
This one. Yung banam, di ko daw lang.
Whose is it? All the same. Are you guys the same family?
No.
Oh,
Different.
no. This makes it hard because I only want one.
Hello, this one for me. You should like this.
I only want one, but you both got the same, so I don't want to be unfair to anyone.
This one. For me.
Yeah, this one, sardines.
About for me. About this one.
Okay, wait, hold on. I want to buy one. So who has one like this?
This one.
Just you two?
Yeah.
Okay.
For me, this one.
You two, rock, paper, scissors. Whoever wins. Wait, yeah, whoever wins.
Lima day, lima.
We will
This
try
one,
and
Five.
Five.
I know. Only one.
Only one.
Kanino to?
And this one for me.
Rock, paper, scissors. Whoever wins, I will buy from. Okay, I think that's the only. Do you think that's fair? Is that okay?
Aba, I take one.
I don't want to.
It's 500.
500. Oh, I don't want to pay 500. No.
Pick. Yeah, win.
Okay. So, how much is it though? Is it? I need a fair price.
250.
250.
Yeah, last one.
I'm not sure about 250.
Zero, you said Philippines. I give you one. You said Philippines.
I can do 100 for that one.
This one. One is for me.
I only have 100.
This one. Okay.
No. I only have 100. See? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sound good. Good doing business with you all. That was chaotic. I felt really bad that I couldn't buy from all of them. But what can you do? Also, these kids are working like 7 a.m. till 8 p.m. days. And some of them were saying how they walk like 30-40 minutes to get to the centre of Moalboal as well. They're working very long days on their vacation. They don't go back to school until June as well. So they're very hardworking and they're quite young. There was one that was 13. We met one that was 11 yesterday. Some of these are even younger. So, oh, it's okay. Thank you though. We're back at the same ice cream place that we were at last night. We are getting a different flavour this time though. We're getting the Biscoff coffee. So it's just getting made up now.
How's the ice cream? It's good?
Good.
Very 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 good.
of like the flavor combinations, but still amazing. Anyway, that is all. My SD card is pretty much full. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.